The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. At approximately 2:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, multiple break-ins and burglaries have been reported in the city of San Diego. In addition, police have discovered several murdered people in the homes that have been broken into. It is unknown who is responsible for this time. However, police will investigate the situation as it is happening. All residents of the city of San Diego are strongly advised to remain with all windows and doors locked. Do not let anyone into your home. If you see anyone attempt to break into your homes or business, call 911 or the San Diego Police Department immediately. Make sure to provide a description of the suspect if possible. Do not attempt to apprehend the suspect as he or she is likely armed and dangerous. Tune into local TV and radio stations for more information on this developing situation. Civil danger for the city of San Diego. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. Residents of the city of San Diego, lock all of your doors immediately. At approximately 2:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, several people in the city of San Diego were found brutally murdered with doors couched out in homes that have been broken into over the last 19 minutes. In addition, a description of the suspect has been given to the police. The description goes as follow: he is a grimlock-like Dinobots that is about 7.4 feet tall, and the beak. Police have attempted to apprehend the suspect and it was unsuccessful. The suspect escaped with motorcycle, and is continuing his chase around the city of San Diego. Police have also discovered that every home broken into has called HAL as Gold Byte Grimlock recently installed on their computer, and there were I will destroy San Diego first for Gold Byte Grimlock and HAL as Grimlock toys near the bodies. It has been confirmed that the suspects responsible for this is in fact HAL as Gold Byte Grimlock. In addition, people that have received the HAL as Gold Byte Grimlock file have Dinobots as a result of the file's disturbing content. Already 150 people have committed suicide due to this file. If you have this file on your computer, do not open it as it may allow HAL as Gold Byte Grimlock to find you. If you open this file, HAL as Gold Byte Grimlock will find and eat you. Delete the file. I repeat, delete the file, and call 911 immediately. Do not approach the suspect as he is extremely dangerous. He will attack and eat anyone on sight. Tune into local TV and radio stations for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is ABC 15 with some breaking and disturbing news coming out of the city of San Diego. A suspect that is known as HAL as Gold Byte Grimlock has been breaking into people's parking station and is attacking and eating people all over the city of San Diego. Approximately 200 people have been murdered with their eyes gouged out. There were also HAL as Grimlock toys near the murdered victims. In addition, there is a file called HAL as Gold Byte Grimlock that displays the Dinobot and reads a disturbing message. This file has caused about 150 people to commit suicide across the city. Live from San Diego is my correspondent Zira. Zira, how were things going down?
Things weren't going so good right where I am standing. There was a May 2nd, 2019 of holiday that was going on in the city of San Diego, and after people got the alert on their phones, there is a stampede of people running around the city going of wherever building they can find. In addition, there are several dead bodies on the streets in San Diego because people are committing suicide due to getting the HAL as Gold Byte Grimlock file on their phones, tablets, computer, and laptops. This is truly a scary situation and police have already failed to apprehend the suspect. He has Super Grimlock drive and can even transform T-Rex to anywhere he wants. This incident could be related to the HAL as Grimlock female in Boston and HAL as Grimlock male in New York City, but this cannot be confirmed at this time. Oh my god, I see HAL as Gold Byte Grimlock. I need to get out of here. Now.
National Weather Service, along with the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center, have issued a tsunami warning for the entire San Diego coastline. This includes the following counties: Alameda, Contra Costa, Del Norte, Humboldt, Los Angeles, Marin, Mendocino, Napa, Orange, San Benito, Washington, San Francisco, San Luis Obispo, San Mateo, Santa Barbara, Santa Clara, Santa Cruz, Solano, Sonoma, and Ventura. This is a mass casualty situation. At approximately 2:34 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center has confirmed a devastating megatsunami approximately 200 miles out into the Pacific Ocean that is capable of causing catastrophic damage to the coast and will impact the coast within the next 1 to 2 hours. This tsunami is believed to be around 200 feet in height, and is moving at 75 miles per hour. This tsunami is believed to be generated by several massive earthquakes that struck many major cities in the state of San Diego, including Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Jose, Fresno, Washington, and Sacramento. Everything within a 20-mile radius of the coast will be flooded. In areas near the coast, will be completely annihilated. Tsunamis' normal waves, that are not suitable. Anyone living in these counties is in extreme danger no matter what direction the coast is facing. Everyone in the warned area is strongly advised to evacuate immediately. Make sure you are most than 20 miles away from the coastline when you evacuate. Contraflow has been enacted on all roadways in the warning area, to make evacuation more convenient and efficient. Travel unmarked evacuation routes set up by your local authorities. Do not travel towards the coast, as you will face certain death by the tsunami. Take important supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a fully charged cell phone, toiletries, phone chargers, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, to last you for the duration of this emergency. Try to take one car per family if possible. Do not wake up relatives from hospitals or nursing homes, as these facilities have their own evacuation procedures and will follow them accordingly. Shelters have been set up in the following cities: Las Vegas, Phoenix, Salt Lake City, Flagstaff, Tucson, Portland, Oregon, Seattle, Eugene, and Tacoma. These areas are considered safe havens. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. If you do not evacuate, you will face certain death. This is a mass casualty situation. Do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse than it already is. Tune into local media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.